Okay, this is also very nice today. Just the furniture is not the best one, but this is also here, Galleria Kvarnen shopping center in Mjölby. As you can see, Sweden, 3 floors. And there's 1964 one, but it's not 3064.
Yeah.
It's been probably modernized in the early 2000s, maybe 2001 or 2.
Yeah.
It was maybe a TV before,
Yeah.
but still interesting, except the furniture.
Yeah.
But I think one ride is enough because of the furniture.
Yeah.
And we don't have time also.
Yeah.
It's too slow.
Yeah.
Today is the 26th of April 2025. Yeah. I'll check that.
It's built by OF control and maintained by so on every script is.
Fortunately, the first one is
Yeah.
this is the new book on it also. So
Yeah.
maybe 2001. But it has some kind of automatic doors that the Schaefer could have used also.
Yeah.
There should be a second elevator here.
Yeah.
Let's see if that one is perfect.
That's